trip na pupuntahan. Kami ay magbabakasyon for 5 days sa isang lugar na ano ba? Charot. Hindi, sa ano yun, Blue Mountain sa Collingwood. Galing na kami dun. Kung nanonood kayo ng mga videos ko last winter. So, pinunta namin dun yung snow, yung mountain na may snow, may nagsasnowboarding, ganun. Ngayon naman, spring na. So, we decided na mag-staycation para, mapahinga. Kasi pagod na kami sa mga buhay namin. Charot. So, ayun na nga. Alis kami bukas. Today is Sunday. Alis namin bukas. Samahan niyo ako at ako ay mag-empake. Ito nga pala yung pulutan ko. Bakit kailangan dito pa pwesto sa harap ng lechon? At bakit meron tayong kainuman dito? tayong ulam pero meron tayong inumin. May alak, yun ang importante.
Anak mo na bago ulam.
This is the first order of business.
Mango.
Bad light.
Matabad lang.
Ayatan ko yung halo-halo.
Hindi, pag beer okay yata siya.
Oh, meron dito.
Ito na lang. Tatlo.
Ihaw for tonight. Nasaan ang barbecue natin?
Dito ako.
And then time for... Wow!
I used one of them to curl my hair. I used one to curl my hair.
Why? We have champorado for breakfast. Tikman natin. Asan na? Yum.
Some action that you witnessed. We're looking at the starting lineup for Australia. Hogan is a surprise. She doesn't usually start. She did not start when we first met, so that's something that we need to pay attention to. Six starters for the Philippines, but as we know, IL.
Da 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 da. It's the one and only Digo Double G. Snoop Dogg.
Where's Snow Ridge Park? We're in the Snow Bridge Park. Private pool. Ay, pati nandun sa ano. Wow! Oh, solo namin yung pool. No alcohol daw, tol. No alcohol. Shower first. Huwag sa ano ha, huwag sa malalim anak ha. So, galing ako sa pool area, Snow Bridge Park sa may Blue Mountain. Oh, ganda ng lugar. Ang lamig ng hangin. Malapit lang yung cabin namin. Airbnb siya. Dito pa yung trail. Okay, papunta yan sa likod ng bahay ng pwestohan ko kanina ng ihawan. So, dyan pala yun. So, ito may paikot sana doon, pero malayo, may shortcut dito. Akyatin mo na yung bundok. Shortcut ka na. Ito ang gaganda ng bahay. Ayan yung mountain. There's the mountain. So, ito yung bahay. Dito. Iba resident na dito. Iba, yung pinapa-Airbnb nila. So, shortcut tayo. So, ito yung harap. Yun. Diba? Ang ganda ng paligid. Kahit mainit, malamig ang hangin. Ito yung sasakyan na dala namin punta dito. Gusto nyo makita yung garage. Sobrang bait ng nagpapa-Airbnb. Pati ano pwedeng gamitin. Lahat kung anong nandyan sa bahay niya pwede nyong gamitin. Pakita ko sa inyo yung garage. Syempre yung garage di automatic. Pero tatakpan natin. Ayan. And yan ang ganyang garage na puno ng bike. So pwede mong gamitin yan, bike, rollerblades, scooter, kung anong magamit mo dyan pwede, kung anong trip nyo. So meron pang batang babae, mga batang panlalaki, pang malalaki. Sobra, solid yan. So, ito yung harap, ito yung view ng harap mo kung gusto mo mag-coffee dito. Nice, di ba? Ang bait na may-ari dahil nagbigay pa siya ng wine. Let's see. There. So, dyan din yun. Okay.
We are here at the go-kart.
Yeah, but those...
We're gonna try to go-kart ourselves. Oy, keep...
You're gonna go kart? Masasarap.
Ayan na yung ano, oh. We're gonna try to mag-go-kart tayo today. Tingnan natin kung kakayanin natin. Wala akong masyadong tulog. Oh my God. Wait. Wasaga Beach. At naka-jacket. So dito ko lang sa Canada mag-beach ng naka-jacket. Hindi swimsuit. So ayan ang beach. Canada Beach. Akala nyo walang beach dito. Meron. Mga nagutom. Stop over. What?
Mukbang would be like easier.
Mukbang? Okay.
Okay, good.
Tumayo lang ako saglit na agawan pa ako ng upuan. Ano ba to? Maxi, excuse me naman. Ano to? Upuan ko yan eh.
Skinny ako eh.
Huwag na,
Maxi.
baka mabitaw mo yung cellphone ko, liparin pa.
Hindi naman numaandar.
Sasanda lang kita.
Eh, habang umaangat.
Wala ka ba?
Maxi, ano ka naman?
Holder.
Wala. Ito kasi,
Ay,
no,
nak.
kailangan
Wala
natin
siyang
kailangan
ano,
ng
ah.
value, eh.
Wala siyang reaction. Excuse me. Oh, wala. Okay, so where are we going?
The village. Blue Mountain Village.
Uh-huh.
Going to a village.
What will we see there?
A village. A village. Yogurt shop. The blue
Yogurt.
frozen yogurt.
Natandaan
The
niyo yung
mountain.
pagkain.
Food.
Is the mountain blue? I think
yes.
it's green.
No, it's blue. It looks very blue. Yeah, very blue.
Dana Kaiser.
No, I'm taking pictures.
It's always pictures for them.
I know.
They're all about pictures.
How many times did we go there already? Like you guys.
Village. We went there village times.
How many times did you say village?
Village time. That's how many times I said village.
Okay, we're gonna go to Blue Mountain Village. This is our second time. First time we went there, it was winter, and now the mountains during winter, you know, yung dito nag-snowboarding. Ano ba yan? Wait.
Parasol cleaners. Is this the village?
We're here. Oh yeah, this is the village. Okay, so the first time we went there, it was winter, so everything was white. But now it's spring, so let's see what Blue Mountain looks like in spring. Okay. Oh, the nice flowers. Masarap daw. Ha? Hindi masarap. We're gonna go to the frozen yogurt place. Nasaan na? Kiefer, come here. Christmas village. This is how it looks like. This entire village? No, right? No.
Ayan na siya. Field trip kasi nila today eh. Medyo na late lang siya. Ayan. Yeah, repeater siya. Mga mga 8 times. Tapos lang siya. Ayun o. Ayun sila o. Tignan mo. O. Bakit hindi magkamukha? Bakit yung age na itong isa parang 10? Parang mga 30 years old eh.
May chocolate dito. May field trip ata sila. Pauwi na kami.
May takip ba yun?
Ba't tinatingin? Huwag kang tumingin! Tumingin ka sa diretso.